Howdy, Larry here. If you're looking for an easy way to collect subscriber emails and sync them automatically with your email marketing software, today's video is just for you. We'll be using Jotform's powerful form building features and integrating it with MailerLite to grow your email list effortlessly. So let's get started. First things first, head over to Jotform and start by creating a new form. Once you log into your Jotform account, click on Create Form. If you don't already have a Jotform account, there is a link in the description for you to go try it out. You have 4 options here to create or import a form to start gathering your information. We're going to click on Use a Template because that's the quickest and easiest way to get started. We're going to do a quick search here for a contact form. Here's one right here called Contact Us. We'll select that one. We can change out the header or we can just delete it entirely. I think that's what we'll do. And we'll delete this little divider here too. If you wanted to add in additional form elements, you can do that from the left. Here's all your basic form fields right here. There's payment options and there's even some pre-formatted widgets that you can use in your form. On the right-hand side, you can do the form designer. So you can change out the colors on the fly, the themes. You can change out the layout if you want to have it a different style form. So that's the form designer over there. The other thing you can do up here at the top, you can just change the name. So we can call this contact form since we no longer have a black header up here like so. You have additional form settings here. You can send out emails to you as the form owner, or you can add in additional emails to send out an autoresponder to the person filling out the form. There's also conditional logic that you can do, and you can also set a thank you page. You can change the thank you after your submission, or you can redirect to an external link. But where the magic happens with our MailerLite integration is, you guessed it, under the Integrations tab. If you don't see your integration here, you can select a category, and we will use email. And then right here is our MailerLite. So we'll click on that. It's going to ask for a MailerLite API key. So for that, we have to go into our MailerLite account and create an API key to connect with this form. So we'll click this link right here, log into your MailerLite account. We'll just right click, open up a link in a new tab so we don't lose our place in Jotform. We will sign in to our MailerLite account. MailerLite will start you off on the dashboard, but we're looking for the API key. To create an API key, you go under the Integrations tab down here. And from the Integrations tab, we want to use the first option here, API, and over on the right-hand side, we'll click on Use. When we click on Use, we want to generate a new token just for Jotform. So we can enter a name called Jotform, and we'll allow all IPs. And I have read and understood the API token requirements and click on Create Token. You have the choice here to either copy or download. You're only going to get this number once. We're just going to click on Copy and then click on Close. Back on our Jotform tab here in our integrations for our form, we're going to paste in our API key and click on Authenticate. Once we have Authenticate set up, we need to match our fields between MailerLite and Jotform. So we have email on the left, pulling in from MailerLite. We need to match that with our form email field. So we'll click on the drop-down list here and click on Email. We can add in additional fields if you want to capture that information. For instance, we can click on Add New Field, then we can select Name, and we can match it to our name field in our form. The next option is to select a group that you would like to add subscribers to. So if we click the drop-down list here, we have landing pages, Larry's Note.me, and pop-up opt-ins. Well, we don't really have any of those. So what we can do here, we can't create a group on the fly here. We'd have to go over to go to Subscribers tab and then click on Groups. And over on the right-hand side, click on Create Group. And this group will be called Contact and click on Create. Now that we have our new group in there, we can go back to our integration here and refresh our group and then click on the drop-down list and click on Contact. Our next option is to update existing contacts in MailerLite. If you're integrating MailerLite into an existing form and you already have submissions, you can check this box to add existing submissions to your MailerLite. For now though, we're going to click on Save and this will save our integration. Integration is ready, we click on Finish. Under the Publish tab, we can do a quick share, we can share the form, we can embed it on our website. For now though, we're just going to click on Open Up in a new tab and we'll fill out the form. And the subject line will just be Test and our message will be Testing. Then we click Submit. we'll get our thank you page. Our submission has been received, and we can go to our subscriber tab here, and we'll see here we now have Susie Sample. And if we click on Susie Sample, we'll see that she is in a group called Contact right here. And there you have it. With Jotform and MailerLite working together, you can grow your email list on autopilot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on simplifying your email marketing. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.